Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you how to make a periscope. It's absolutely easy. You see, these are three the cuboidal. These are three cuboids made up of cardboard. You see, this is one, this is another one, and this is another one. You see the first cuboid from here, and then here we have cut it here for a purpose, which we are going to show you later. And another one is this. We have cut it here for a purpose, but the third one we haven't cut it, you see. So we are going to show you how to make a periscope, and we need two mirrors, which we are going to show you later. So we are going to show you the mirror. Here is the mirror. So let us shoot. So the mirror is fixed. So you see the mirror is fixed. From here, see what it looks like. Here is the mirror at 45 degrees. This angle, this becomes a right angle triangle. This mirror is one side, and another two sides are this side and this side are two sides of the triangle, and mirror is third side. You see, here is the 90-degree angle, and approximately 45 here and 45 there. Here 45, here 45, and here 90. So see what we are going to do now is we are going to join this, but this one which is cut at the bottom. You see, like this. So this is fixed. So see what it looks like now. Like an L. You see, here it's cut at the bottom. We are going to join this third piece here, which is not cut anywhere. Now first we are going to join the mirror, another mirror. Like this. So this is joined. Now we are going to join the third cuboid here. So we have joined the third cuboid. So our periscope is ready. See what it looks like now. Now we are going to show you how this works. We are going to put our hand here, and we are going to show you through the camera that our hand will appear from here. The hand, you see the hand. You see? Now we'll be able to see everything. You see, we are able to see the flow. So guys, we have made it. Now it's working as well. See the hand from here. Let me zoom in. See the hand? Now it's verified that it's working. So if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you got any information from this video and your friends are passionate about it, please share this video with your friends. And if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, comment below in the comment section. And it's goodbye for now.